This 2012 Bentley Continental GTC is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. GTC Continental Mulliner Package 6.0L Twin Turbocharged W12 Engine 6-speed automatic transmission all-wheel drive system navigation system front parking assist rear parking assist adaptive xenon headlights power rear trunk opener self-leveling suspension keyless and tri-keyless start heated front seat spooled front seat sheeted exterior mirrors automatic power windows interior trim veneers beluga exterior beluga leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Bentley Continental GTC Mulliner is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.